Let me get on that end so the wood. Yeah. Alright, so the blade don't paint. Boy, you doing a good job though. Now look, as you get to the end, you gotta take your left hand and hold that end of the board so it won't, pinch the blade. Oh, see what I'm saying? If you held it with your left, it wouldn't have did that.
Yeah.
But it's all good. It's all good. Yeah, that should look good. But yeah, like when you hold it with your left hand, and the reason I say that because sometimes you might be working by yourself, and there's nobody to hold that back end. You know what I'm saying? So your hips and your left hand are basically all that you may have. Yeah. You did a good job though.